be seeing Harlow ride panda, so I'm very excited. Right now it's about 5 AM now, and it's pretty early, it's pretty cold, and it's pouring. Well done. Yeah, so for now I just bought Pony magazine, a bag and a Harlow hoodie. I'll show you what I bought in the car then, with a free something. So yeah, let's carry on shopping. Yeah. I want to see if I can find Lemieux anywhere, but for now it's not really looking like I am finding it. That is so fun. Look how fluffy. So fluffy. Perfect for Lemieux.
Yes! It's the biggest high business hat.
The coat everyone wishes to have. That's the area. Waterproof thing. Coats are very fancy. Some Lemieux shoes. I like these and these.
Yeah, it's called a tax. Look
Look how nice this colour is. Look how pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. Another one.
Morning.
Oh, I got this one. Absolutely perfect.
I'll put it in my nose.
Beautiful. Got the petrol, I think it is.
There you go.
Very. Got the very nice blue. I can't remember what it's called. The saddle pad. Got face load. That is a very pretty colour. Yes, it is. My mum's just no. Yeah, it is, Mum. It's very pretty. This is a very pretty colour. So cute. Oh, look at the wheel.
Thank you very much.
Very fancy. It's nice. It's actually gorgeous. This one's the one I'm obsessed with. It's amazing. Got the new jumper.
What have you found?
I'm getting all of these. They are so fluffy. Oh, look at the thing. Nice. Oh, the mini lemon. Like the hobby horse. Look at that. That's so great. Oh, mini lemon. Here.
Your dog is on now.
Look how gorgeous this is.
No.
So pretty. So we've got the I can't remember its name. This one, popcorn. These and I think this is one of the new ones. I don't know, but it's so pretty. Got all of the new. We've got some rosettes. If you would like to try and buy one of those. That says Lemmy on them. Got some petrol and new colours. So yeah, absolutely perfect.
Scared. But what I find with Albion is that if the saddle and everything about everything looks amazing, I am much more confident and feel much more amazing.
The saddle, I wonder why it's filling up.
Yes. How many of you are waiting for Harlow?
How many of you can't wait for me to finish?
She made Harlow's saddle.
Yeah, so we work with Chelsea and Harlow. We've done Harlows and Pandas. And both of them were bespoke and beautiful. But yes, it's equally as important for a pony as it is for a horse, especially a pony such as Popcorn, and again these FEI ponies as well. They are
Are we working? Oh, we're working. Hi everyone, thank you all for coming. Oh, take a little seat.
So hello everybody, we're here at the Blenheim Palace International Horse Show chat stage with, and I'm sure she needs no introduction, Harlow Luna White. Can we get a round of applause for Harlow, everybody?
Thank you very much.
Now, Harlow, you've got a big day here because you're actually riding at 2 o'clock. Do you want to tell us a little bit about what's in store?
Yeah, so at 2 o'clock I'll be riding, I think it's in the Blenheim Arena?
Yeah, Blenheim Arena.
Don't really get told, but anyways, but yeah, I'm so excited. So something has come up with Panda. So for all of you that think Panda will be performing, he is a little bit poorly at the minute, so he is, you know, taking a little bit of time off, and he won't be able to do it today. But we've got Popcorn.
I think that's gone down very well.
Yes, I think we're all excited about that.
Yeah, and I mean, it's been a little bit of touch and go with Popcorn with his jumping this season, but he's really just started like clicking with it all now, and he's really confident. So yeah, hopefully it all goes well. He's really spicy at the minute, so fingers crossed I don't get bucked off. But yeah, living on the edge. Amazing.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks so much for coming, guys. I'm sorry if any of you gotten really wet. I really apologise. But yeah, I hope you'll have a lovely day. And yeah.
Just remember guys, she's got a meet and greet later and her masterclass, so make sure you're all there.
Okay, so I have bought the Harlow cap, and I have just met Harlow again. She's absolutely amazing, and there is something wrong with Panda, so she's not going to be riding Panda. She's going to be riding the idol of all, Popcorn. I'm very excited. Are you excited, Mum? Yes, I am. Woohoo! Yeah. Yeah, very exciting. I'll let you know. I'll do shopping haul of what I bought either at home or in the car, but yeah, update you guys soon.
And jumping side saddle is not for faint-hearted. Anyone can do it, but you need to work at it. And my goodness, have these ladies worked at it. Okay, Chloe, hang on. Oh, never mind, one down, doesn't matter. Okay, saddle. Whoa, well done, fantastic. Woo, the heart's in the mouth. Woohoo! Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
stop kicking.
Don't stop kicking. Wow, that's a good one. Yeah, is your Shetland a little bit fat?
He's not fat because he gets like raced a lot, but he's a bit slow.
I'm sure you changed number last. I did not change number last one.
Here we go. So we've got Lily Draper, number 1, Miley Hussey, number 2, Betsy Snell, number 5, and number 11, Fleur Smith, 12, Henry Wolf, number 16, Millie Carver, number 18, Violet Tuckett, number 20, Olivia Lees. So just one boy in the pack. It's number 12, Henry. Henry's got a lot of work to do there against the other 7 girls. It's going to be a tough one. Oh, they're coming round to the start. Time to pick your winner. No bets after the starter's flag is down. Coming round to the corner. They're all not jostling, looking for that quick start. Ready? Are they under starters' orders? Yes, they're away. It's a great start. Number 11 on the inside, Fleur Smith has taken the lead. Lily Draper right up there, number 1. But there's 5 of them, so closely bunched together, there's nothing in it at this stage. It's all between Fleur and Lily, number 20, number 11. We're stretching out now, Lily Draper back in 3rd. And they're taking the 4th place at number 22. But look at the grey, number 5, Betsy Snell on the outside, she's pushing hard. But at the moment, Fleur Smith has got the lead in the alternating colours. This is a brilliant run for Fleur, but she's still got to watch out because here comes Olivia on the outside. Coming up again, and number 1 is also Lily Draper going beautifully. But look at Daniel, Fleur Smith, number 11, riding for Bob Champion, riding the alternating colours. It's the final turn. Here she comes. There's a brilliant win for number 11. 21 and 22. Come on, let's get these last 2 Shetlands home. Come on now. Oh, he's winning his head off. 12. That was brilliant. Oh, well done, Henry. Henry Wolf there, number 12. And he comes through the finish with a little whinny from his...
Last one was slick, didn't it? No.
On course, Justin Holmes with our lucky. Move on to the Flower Road number 7, and then they drop down for the quarter inch collar. Just to bring through the river track. With our next contestant up for goal number 1, 4 Japanese affected Johnny Gagan and Vivian Diego.
Sales here. Oh my god, that is something. Oh, look at that one. Look at this one. For the like show thing. Absolutely amazing. Got some coats. This one's lovely. Oh my god. Look at this one. Lovely. Come on. So cute.
Think something in a bit, she'll probably come out with a child or something. Just wait for it.
Hi, Harlow.
When she decides to make her way back here. Now, I just sent you Grace a text, okay? Just send her a text. Now here's an image of the day. There's this bloke standing in the middle of an arena waiting.
I think we're in for a really special treat this afternoon to have...
but he's a little bit under the weather at the moment, so you're in for a special treat and you get the original OG. Are you jumping that one as well? Okay. I haven't noticed this. I'm ready for you. I thought we were just working here for a second. Okay, we're just warming up, so we're just going to get him going. He looks a little fresh. He's got to get used to the crowds as well. Super. Right, I think, let's pop that again, pop the little double, change your rein somewhere, pop your little hedge, and then I think Cloudy needs to have a jump. He's rather excited, so this could actually be quite entertaining. Harlow, no slipping, no falling off. I might just need some little jumps. Oh, I love this, it's still quite big. Right, you might need a little warm up, and let's see how fit you are if you can run around. Oh, Cloudy's going to feel so special. He should have brought his tack and he could have run around in the Shetland Grand National afterwards. He'd have loved it. Give him a little warm up, bless him.
Popcorn! Hi! Hello! Oh my god, I want him.
Oh, he's got a proper pop in it.
You need to jump.
Well, this is going to be fun. Okay, just pop back and forth over your cross pole a couple of times. Testing your fitness today. Very nice. Try to keep him running straight. She's worked hard today. Okay, now you can start running. Yes, fair enough. Oh, you can wear my trainers if you want. You're not getting out of running around. Oh, we've got canter going on there. Oh, he's having the best time. He's going to finish your sleep well tonight. A bit of speed for you to get over that as well. Are you ready? She's going to kill me for this later. Okay, come on, Cloudy's having his moment. Don't turn too tight. 32.
They're going to be doing the in-hand jumping class. Fence number 1, they go. Looking a little bit worried. Looking very calm and controlled, coming round to the double. Whee! Yay! Cheer! You want Katie to run faster! Woo! Faster!
She is genuinely one of the hardest working kids I know. She's brilliant. So come on, massive clap and massive applause. And thank you for coming to watch us.
So, Harlow, you want to say a quick word?
Thank you so much for coming, everyone. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
And Cloudy, and Popcorn. Yeah, well, thank you guys very much. And,
We just got back. I'm going to show you quickly what I have bought. Because whenever I watch someone's vlog, it's not going to be long, by the way. Whenever I watch someone's vlog and they go to a horse show and buy something, I'm like, what did you buy? So that's why I'm doing this. So first of all, this is what I got for free. I got a free horse bracelet. Should be. Alright, let's get on to the real things that I actually bought. As you can tell, I have bought quite a lot. So first of all, I'm literally, oh gosh, what happened to, I'm literally obsessed with these belts. They're like, these belts for like horse riding, I'm literally obsessed with them. I don't know where they're from, but I just found them in a shop and I was like, we need to get that. I'm literally obsessed. I think there was a pink and purple one, also and a green one, but I was like, this blue one is just my thing. Okay, I'll just plop it to the side. My desk is quite a mess. I need over here. You guys don't see it, luckily, because it's absolutely embarrassing. Right, next thing I got a Harlow hat. I love this one. It's black and it doesn't have like the zipper, so it doesn't get in your hair. Like that is one problem that I've had with my other ones. They have the zip. Like no, not like the zip, but like the thing. I don't know what it's called, guys. I'm literally dumb. I don't know what it's called. So yeah. And also, I don't have, my old one is so dirty and it's so old and it has the thing. So this one doesn't have it, so it won't get caught in your hair. And it is black, so it goes with everything. No more helmet hair in the summer. Sweaty helmet hair. Okay, I won something. I'll show you guys that in a second. Now yeah. Oh, where's the other one? So we've got the lovely fluffy Lemire socks that you can ride in the winter. And like, oh my god, the second I saw these, this is the adult version, so I am turning 11 in April. So if you are age from 10 all the way to 60 to adult, then I recommend the adult ones, as you can have them for longer. And yeah, they're so fluffy. Recommend these 100%. They are so fluffy. Like, I cannot take them off, and they're so comfortable. They are up to your knee. So yeah, got the. Actually, I didn't get this, but my mum got this for the winter. You just put it. Oh gosh, not the tag. Like that, so it keeps your ears. But I said I'll be borrowing it, so I'm practically stealing it. No, I'm not going to be saying that. But I'm going to be borrowing this quite a lot. And it's fluffy inside. It says Lemire on it, obviously. Okay, that's it from this bag. Went to Pony Magazine, bought this £1 forever bag. Oh god, that is actually breaking the light, isn't it? Oh, I swear, if I'm doing all of this filming and you guys can't hear me, absolutely waste. Right, now this is my favourite thing I got so far. Well, I just need to grab the thing. Yeah, alright, I got it. So, got the Harlow and popcorn hoodie. Literally, like, there's Harlow and popcorn on there. If you're looking for this, recommend it. Again, it's one size if you're my age, then recommend it. Or all the way down to adult, I think. So, my mum tried it on. She fits better in it than me. Right, I'll put it on quickly because I feel in a good mood, you know. Right, so I need to just quickly plop that on. If you hear weird noises, my apologies. Really just not my problem. Oh my gosh. Oh, trying to get it in. It's right, you guys probably are gonna hear some things, but you know. If you know, you know. It's actually gorgeous. Oh my god, in the winter, this is literally like everyone's dream. Absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot in it. Oh. Also, shout out to my mum and dad for buying me these things. Literally, I could not be able to afford them. You know. Also, shout out to my mum for buying me this top of H&M. We have my mum bought this one for me, and another the exact same one for her. So shout out to her. I absolutely love it. It is so comfortable. I'm going to be wearing this every day. So yeah. So this is practically all I bought. Oh my god. Oh yeah, so I did win a free horse pen and a free, and free horse feed. Hope you all enjoyed. See you next time. Honestly, that was the best day of my life. It's exactly, I think it was even better than London International Horse Show. It was gorgeous, but I didn't go to the meet and greet like I did her. I didn't take a picture with her like I did in London, because I didn't go to the meet and greet because it was literally £40 for a picture of Harlow. Okay, but I saw her ride popcorn, and I saw Cloudy and Katie and Chelsea, and I think Shy might be in her vlog. So, oh god, that was so nice. Alright, see you next time. This is literally going to be the longest vlog I've ever done.